Hi friends, this video shows how to check whether connected TV or monitor support VRR using PS5 console. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Under settings go down, select screen and video. Then go to video output. Under video output, here we can find information for the connected device, HDMI device. Select it. Here we can find information of connected TV or monitor. Here we can find three resolutions. Just let me go to the first one. Here it says VRR not supported. Let me go to the next one. See, VRR not supported. Go to the third one. See, VRR not supported. That means this connected monitor does not support VRR. So this way we can check whether connected monitor or TV support VRR using this PS5 console. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.